Okay guys, for all of the folks who order trees from Brokaw through me, they are here. You can see them right here. So I want to show you what they look like. I mean, they are about 5 feet tall. Um, what's awesome about these trees are, if you look, the stem on them are already like thicker. So that's actually really thick. And some of these are pretty thick also here. So most of them are pretty much like that, and they're just pretty healthy. And I've been kind of watering them because it's getting hot. So if you want the trees that you ordered, make sure you coordinate with me and come by. Also, I have extra gem on Duke 7, and I also have a couple extra Hass on Duke 7. So I bought some of those for me, and then I figured since I was buying a couple for me, I'm just gonna buy extra. So they'll probably go pretty fast once I release this video and kind of show you guys what they look like. Shoot me an email. I will put my email down here at the bottom here in this section, so you can actually reach out to me and reserve yours. So they're here. This is awesome. Finally, it took some time. I'll tell you the whole backstory of why it took so long, but the good thing is we finally got them. So all right, so I'm in the back here, and this right here is a Charwell, Kona Charwell on Duke 7. So I got this from Brokaw, and it is massive. And I just got this a couple years ago, and I did a video on it, so I'll link the video up here of when I actually put it into the ground. But it is loaded this year. I mean, tons of fruit. I'll try to see if I can get it in the, you can see all those every one of these like little balls right here. These are, I'm looking straight up. So this is on Duke 7, and you know, for me, it seems to be a really fast growing rootstock, and so far it's been pretty tough also, which is good, because for me, Charwell in the past has been kind of weak, but this Charwell on Duke 7, considering it's only been in the ground for a couple of years, it's already producing quite a bit of fruit. So that's why I decided to get a couple more Hass and also Gem on Duke 7. And I think that if you're in Southern California, if you're pretty close to where I'm at, you'll probably have decent success with the Duke 7 also. I have Dusa, and Dusa seems to be a little slower growing for me. This seems to kind of reach, but I'm okay with it being faster growing. The Dusas haven't really produced that much yet. Maybe it just needs more time, but some of my my Hass on Dusa, it's producing fruit, but it hasn't produced a ton of fruit. So I really want to see what the Duke 7 does for me. And I also got another rootstock. I think it's a Leola, and I'll give that a try also. But the idea is to try out some of these rootstocks, more of an experiment, but just for fun more than anything. And plus we get fruit, so that's a good thing. And I don't think you can go wrong with getting a Brokaw tree, especially that, the way that they do their trees and how healthy the trees are when you actually get them. Definitely worth the money. And I've said this before, and I'll say it again. If I could redo all of my trees over, especially on that side, like you see those, I'm replacing some of those gems that I got from E Verde, also Laverne Nurseries. Those are older than my Charwell, but Charwell's doing better just because, you know, I'm not taking that chance of not knowing what you're going to get with the Zutano rootstock. So if I could do it all over again, I definitely would start with Brokaw trees for sure. So, and I know a lot of you guys have already have done that, which is good. But the idea is that, you know, if you're going to spend the time and effort to do this, might as well, you know, try to get the best that you can. And this is it. Anyways, I'm gonna go get hydrated. I'm gonna enjoy an IPA, and hopefully you guys are doing well. But this was just a quick video. I just wanted to show you progress of some of the trees. Maybe I'll do a walkthrough for my next video, but we'll be in touch. All right, talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.